What's up guys, Sal here. So Google has already showcased the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro at Google I/O a few weeks ago. To be clear, it wasn't a launch event but more like a teaser for the handsets. Google will formally reveal the phones later this year, probably in October. But 5 months before the actual release date, someone is already selling the Pixel 7 on eBay.
Wait, what?
You heard that right. When other companies are worried about someone leaking their phones, Google on the other hand worries about someone selling their unreleased products. It happens almost every year and this year is no different. The seller has posted some high quality hands-on images of the Pixel 7 and also the camera samples from the Pixel 7 Pro. First, let's take a look at the Pixel 7. It's a prototype unit judging from that Google logo that we've seen in the past Google prototypes, and it corroborates with the hardware Google showed us earlier this month when it previewed the new smartphone hardware. Textured aluminum bar with cutout for the cameras, and the color looks just like the one of the colors Google showed off at I/O. The bezels are actually much slimmer compared to the Pixel 6, and it also shows the base storage will once again start from 128GB. The back is glossy and made from glass, and interestingly the frame matches the camera visor and it's metallic in this case instead of black like on the Pixel 6. And personally I like this move as the black frame just doesn't look good on a phone. We also have camera samples of the Pixel 7 Pro, but you've already seen it. Yeah, this guy not only has the Pixel 7 but Pixel 7 Pro as well, and he captured all these images using the Pixel 7 Pro. And just for your information, that eBay listing has been taken down for obvious reasons. Moving on, we have some information about the Tensor 2 chip that will debut on the Pixel 7. It will be produced using a 4nm process compared to the 5nm of its predecessor, and Samsung will again manufacture the chipset, which shouldn't be surprising. Google has already revealed at the I/O that the Tensor 2 chip on the Pixel 7 will bring even more helpful, personalized features to photos, videos, security, and speech recognition. Next, we have the display specifications for both the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro, and they are remaining unchanged, which means 90Hz Full HD Plus for Pixel 7 and 120Hz Quad HD Plus for Pixel 7 Pro. With that said, the Pixel Notepad aka Pixel Fold was expected to launch later this year alongside the Pixel 7. Turns out that will not happen. The handset has been postponed for the second time. Google was originally expected to launch it in 2021, but they delayed it saying the phone wasn't competitive enough. And now they're delaying it again to next year, and the reason could be that it has failed to meet expectations again, which is a bummer as Google's entry into the foldable genre could have spiced things up, but I guess we'll have to wait another year. Of course, do consider subscribing for all the latest updates on the Pixel 7, and as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.